Hello friends, welcome to another page in DAGDRÖMMAR by Hannah Carlson. We are going to do a watercolor background on this page right now. I'm really in the mood for some backgrounds. I have mixed some watercolors for the background. It'll hopefully be enough, we'll see. And I have protective pages underneath, so nothing should happen. This is just the first quick layer of color. That's why it looks so messy. Hello. Don't think I have ever done a really red background before, so it'll be fun. I'm imagining some kind of blue-purple flowers, but we won't start the actual coloring part today. It'll only be background. And if you have any questions, just feel free to ask. But don't ask about the brand of watercolors because I have no idea. The cheapest I could find on eBay. Perhaps I should get some proper watercolors eventually. I can show them to you quickly. It's just these watercolor kits. Really cheap from eBay. So, same as usual. Hello, yes, I'm using watercolors. Good evening. No problem. I know you were talking to me. Hello, another VIP. Yes. I have decided that I can have as many VIPs in this book as I want. Because there's no way I'm going to finish it if I'm not just coloring whatever I want to. I'm starting this page. Sounds good. I have water in my brush and I dip it in here and I dip it in my water there, so depends on how much water I want. As you see, I want it a bit lighter down in here so I can blend it into the other color. So and I want it to be really dark around the edges and almost glowing on the inside, so you're welcome. Oh, sorry, I was just out of frame. Get a bit distracted from time to time. And yes, the watercolors do eat at the paper, as you see here, but it's not a problem. Can be pulled off when it's dry. Hello. Have to adjust it from time to time. I'm really not a watercolor expert, but practice makes perfect. And it'll be fine eventually, I'm sure. I'm using the cheapest kind from eBay. I was just telling everyone that I need to get my hands on some proper watercolor paint and not just some really cheap China kid stuff. But I don't have any of that now, so have to do whatever I have. I'm sure it'll be fine once I'm finished anyway. Kinda works for me as well. I have no idea what I'm doing. Just trying to make it look somewhat like in my head. Yes, it does. You just have to let it dry before you add the pencils. Just have to check quickly here. Yay, no bleed through. Yay, that's amazing! You have to tag me on the King Troll. I would love to see another version of it. I like this corner more than this one. But we'll see once I'm... oh, I'll actually... Oh, no. No, look at this. What page did I ruin? Oh, that one, that's okay. I wanted a dark background on that one anyway. I'm kind of regretting this. Feel like I have to go in with some new colors once I have a base layer of color to fix it. Might just do that. And then I have to practice my watercolors because this is not good at all. Might be using them too dry or too wet. I have no clue. That's true. It is learning. But I had such great ideas for this page. At least I am able to fix it. It depends on the situation. I only use fixative when I use pastels or glitter gel pen. Never on something like watercolors. Why? Oh, I would still love to see it. Most trolls are green anyway, right? Yay! I wouldn't miss it. I really hope I'll be able to fix this. Moment, vil du give mig min hårtørre? Skal jeg råbe af dig?
Hvad siger du?
Vil du give mig min hårtørre?
Ja.
Tak. Once I have added all the color, I'll just quickly dry it so I can add some new colors on top. Tak skal du have.
Det var så nemt.
There we go. Time to dry it so we can do something better. Jeg er færdig med de her farver, tror jeg. Jeg gemmer måske lige den der. I'm just going to grab my new colors in a bit. But first some dry. Yes, I just asked the weasel for the hairdryer. Okay, where is the cap for my... well, it's gone. It's gone. Can't find my top for my brush, but it'll be fine. Some new colors. I have so many art supplies right here next to me. Oh. way too much actually. Let's see. Here they are. I need flesh and I need salmon pink. And I need burnt sienna. Skat, hvad synes du om Dirt Weasel?
Jeg synes, det er et fint navn.
He thinks it's a fine name. No, it can't have gone far. I just have no clue where it went. Hello. And burnt sienna. Should I go? I think I should go with crimson alizarin hue. Yeah, I'll do that. A dark, kinda toned out romantic background, that's what I want. Yes. Alright, so it'll be crimson alizarin hue. Thank you, I love it as well. And some burnt sienna, salmon pink, and flesh. Starting with my burnt sienna just to make the edges look a bit older. Oh, yay! So happy to hear he doesn't think we are all crazy all the time. I'm quite excited to see how this works on top of the very cheap watercolors. Because I have no clue, I never tried them on top of anything. Time for the alizarin, crimson alizarin hue. They have such weird names, these colors. Oh, that's good. I'm very excited to see how any of this will work out, if it'll work out. Yes, I'm using new colors now. Wasn't happy with how the watercolors looked. So I'm trying to cover it up with some new colors. Hello! And hopefully get the effect I was going for with the watercolors. Okay, time to use the salmon pink. you. Oh, out of focus. Have to stay in the camera. But you all know how bad I am at staying in the camera. Yeah. Coloring is just an amazing thing. Such an amazing thing. I want the lightest part to be around the bird up here. So that's where I'll go in with the flesh. Almost like the crystals and eggs are glowing. Hope that's what it'll look like. Okay. I think I want just a bit of the flesh down here as well, along the nest. There we go. Okay, time for dabbing. Oh, thank you. Hope you'll have a beautiful day as well. Okay, let's try this. Seems like dabbing works just fine. I'm very relieved. The background will be so red. Oh, yay! I'm so happy to hear that. The new colors are amazing. Even when I'm trying not to use them, I picked them up. So. You shouldn't feel left out. We still love you. Yay! Oh, it is really coming off the page, even though it's not wet. So be careful with the wet new colors. They do transfer a bit. Quite excited to see how this will turn out. Wow. It's 1,000 times darker than what I originally had thought it would be. Do you think my idea of blue purpley flowers will still work if the background is this red? Or would it look weird when the background is as wet as it is? I haven't tried it, only with the new colors, so I don't know. Oh, sorry, I was out of frame again. Yeah, and that's exactly why I thought it would be weird. I'm not a huge fan of contrasting colors. You might have noticed. So that's why I thought it could be weird. I'm really starting to love this actually. Quite like when it's turning into the lighter colors here. Yeah, I could. But I don't want it to be lighter necessarily, I just wanted it to be less bright. But it's alright. I can totally work with this. I can imagine some quite nice glowing flowers. But thank you. We'll have to work, or not work it, have to try that next time. I think something is a bit too dark. Yeah, I like the darkness as well. But it's way more wet than I thought it would be, but it's alright. This picture is really coming along in my head now. Yay, almost half done with the background. Oh, I really have to be careful. The other side is colored, so I have to be careful. Don't want to mess it up. Thank you for the hearts. Can almost hear the paper scream, not any more water, please, please. But I won't listen. Oh yeah, I'm so hungry as well. But I'm also quite nauseous, so I'm not going to eat any more right now. And I'm sorry if I'm a bit distracted from the chat. Trying to work quickly so I don't get any lines. Yes, I'm feeling a little bit ill. it's okay. I went to lay down on the bed, but just had to color. I couldn't just not color all day. Oh, you're home from work. I was at work today. It only came around an hour ago. Hope everyone feels better soon as well. At least my mood is way better now that I'm coloring. Oh, thank you. That makes me very happy to hear. I can tell you some good news right now. My luminance is on the way. Yay! Can't wait to get them. Oh no, I would be worried as well. It is such a long time for a headache. Yeah, my luminance is on the way. Oh, out of focus, I'm so sorry. You have to tell me, you know that. Just have to pick up. Yeah, I will. But if I'm not careful, you might not see something important. I'm absolutely loving how light it's turning into right here. Thank you. The flower petals? Oh, I think I've missed some of the chat because I have no idea what you're talking about. I really did try to keep up, but had to dab. Oh, thank you. Just a quick tip. Don't be inspired by the watercolor part at the first part of the stream. Only the dabbing. To the left upper corner up here. Did I miss something? Oh, hope you all will feel better soon. Let me see. Want it to be a little bit more blended over here. There we go. Yes, I think I'm quite happy. Hello. Let me just. Oh my! Looks like an accident. Well, I'll just quickly dry the page. That will be enough. Yeah, feels quite dry. Okay, I'll quickly go wash my hands. Alright, I'm back again. Quite like it actually. Really do quite like it. Haven't ever done this with a background before, but it's really fun. Yay! Alright, I will stop the stream now and I'll be back in a few minutes for a new background. Thank you so much for watching.